Alright, where can we find you or what do you do during your spare time?
What do I do during my spare time? Okay, if I am not at... Ay, malamang hindi ko pala spare time ang work, di ba? But I am a gym rat. So I am always in the gym. As in, I also paint. Yeah. I started painting last year. It started as a form of bonding with my dad, who is a doctor but also paints. My style really is conceptual landscapes. So I translate my emotions. I tell a story through landscapes. I tell emotions through landscapes. My favorite subject is trees. Mga puno. Ganyan. So pwedeng isang puno lang, pwedeng maraming puno, ganun. But that's really what I want. That's really how I tell my story. I don't know why it's trees. But also, that saved me. Painting saved me. It became an alternative pathway for me towards my recovery from addiction. Because I was able to be more productive with my time, and I was also able to process my emotions. The emotions that I would not be able to process normally, that I was escaping from through drugs. I was able to process it through art.
What is your biggest or greatest what if?
Greatest what if? My greatest what if, I guess, would be my ex. Yung ex ko of 1.5 years. He was very instrumental in my growth as a person. We were both very immature then. But it's through that immaturity that I was able to learn a lot of lessons, that he was also able to learn a lot of lessons. Thankfully, we were able to get the closure we needed after 4 years. But he has always been my biggest what if. Na what if kami pa rin? Ganun. Baka okay pa rin kami ngayon, ganun. Pero hindi na pwede. May sarili na kaming buhay. Ang pinaka-importante doon ay nasusuportahan kami ngayon.
Do you think siya yung totga mo?
Oo!
Okay. So, baka mapanood niya to, makilala niya na siya yun. Alright, so, what do you dream of? Aside from, of course, winning the title, Mr. J World Philippines.
What I dream of would be, and this is serious, this is serious talaga. This isn't for pageant and anything. What I dream of would be a community that supports each other regardless of where they come from, regardless of their backgrounds, regardless of their cliques. One thing kasi I noticed, and this is a common challenge in the community, I don't want to say problem, di ba? It's a common challenge sa community na minsan naghihilahan rin tayo pababa. At dun sa paghihilahan natin pababa, kaya hindi natin mahamig yung mga tao sa hanay natin eh. So what I dream of really is for us to be able, for people within the community to be able to transcend from their cliques, to be able to go out of their echo chambers, to reach across divides, so that people and uplift each other more, so that people would come to understand what we're fighting for.
Okay, what is your family's stand on you joining Mr. Gay World?
Okay. So this is sobrang funny nito. I treated my family to lunch one time, and that was when I told them. And my dad was the most excited of all of them. As in, sabi niya, kailan ba yan? Kailan ba yung coronation? Kailan ba yung finals na yan? O tara, punta tayo, bili tayong ticket. Ganyan siya, ganyan si daddy. My mom is a little bit more subdued. Una kasi, she's a financial advisor at Ilocana siya. So talagang masinop siya sa pera. So ang unang tanong sa akin ng nanay ko is, pagkatapos yun, may pera ka pa ba? Sabi ko, oo ma, meron pa, huwag ka mag-alala. Meron pa rin tayo, huwag ka mag-alala. That's been That's been her question until now. But what I really appreciate from my family is how, and even my extended family and yung friends ni Mommy, is how much support I received from all of them. Like the Lago side and my mother's side to Goddess, when I told them, sabi nila, "O tara, punta tayo. O, mag-reserve na tayong tickets." Ganun sila, "O tara, boto tayo." Even the friends of my mom, na nagulat ako kasi very titas of Manila yung mga yun eh. Nagulat ako kasi parang normally hindi ko naman alam na accepting sila. Pero nagulat ako, sabi sa akin, nag-message sa akin yung tita ko, "Miggy, when is the pageant? I will vote for you. I will give you 500 votes." Mga ganon. Sobrang fun talaga. So I love that they're all supportive.
Right. Last question.
Okay.
3 words to describe you.
Ano ba yun? Hubadero dog show. Yes. Hubadero dog show nerd.
Alright, thank you so much.